Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. And please don't forget to click on that little notification bell. That way every time I upload a new video, you would definitely be notified. Anyways, today's video will be over the new Jouer Rose Gold collection. I have had this probably about a month now, but I haven't been feeling well, and yeah, y'all know. Let me just show you. This is why. You see me belly? Yes, that is why. But yes, I will try to get back into my routine. So here's how the packaging looks like for all of the Rose Gold collection. Isn't that just like so like mesmerizing and pretty? Like literally every single one. Even the eye crayons and the lip products. It's like so beautiful and mesmerizing. And the one thing I really like about this packaging is inside, once you open it, there's actually like this little stopper deal to help keep your product in place, so it doesn't like bounce around and move around in there, which I really like. So it's just like an added protection so the package just stays in place, and I really like that. It goes in this one also. And let's see, we have, what do we have, guys? We have the Rose Gold Matte and Shimmer eyeshadow palettes. We also have the Blush Bouquet Rose Gold Dual Blush palette. That is a very big tongue twister for me. I also have the Creme eyeshadow crown in Rose Gold. Everything I'm doing today is all rose gold, so this is the whole entire rose gold collection. Here is the long wear lip topper, and we also have the high pigment pearl gloss. And whenever I ordered this, it also came in with this cute little Jouer pin. Like, look how cute that is. Is this so cute? For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. It's really so cute, and it even has their emblem right here. And it guys, my nails match. So let's go ahead and put this on. Poke a hole. What y'all think? Is cute? Representing Jouer. Jouer, if you are watching this, you are more than welcome to send me PR packages. Please send me PR packages. Anyways, whenever you place an order online, which is what I did, I got these two high coverage cream foundation samples. I picked out medium and tan. So it comes in these little packages right here, and they are all different shades. And I have a second one. So I probably have over 20 different foundations right now. This is how it looks like. And in the back, it has all of the different names. I'm really curious of how this foundation is. If you guys have tried it, please comment down below. Let me know how you liked it, how it wore. But I definitely want to find my shade in these, so I'm really glad that they sent me like so many samples so I can try it and test it out. Also, whenever you purchase it, they give you these cute little stickers. Look at these stickers. I really like this heart. Oh, it's so cute, so cute. The last thing you get is this really big poster board like packet that tells you the Rose Gold collection. I have everything right here, and then here are some swatches, but don't worry, we'll be doing our own swatches. Alright, this palette retails for $40. Here's how the packaging looks like on the outside for the eyeshadow palette, and inside, let me go ahead and show you guys. It comes with this clear protector to help protect all the eyeshadows right here. It has a very nice big mirror here. I'm sorry if you guys see the little reflection, but here are all the colors. There's 5 shimmer metallic shades and 7 matte shades. And in the back, it also tells you the shade and the shade name, which is a really big plus. I love that whenever I can go into an eyeshadow palette and I can see the colors and I can see the names. It's a yeah! It makes me happy. I'll do the swatches in a little bit. I'm just gonna quickly go over the products that we have in front of us, and then I'll do the swatches. The next product we have is the Dual Blush palette. The packaging, I am like so in love with this packaging. It's insane, and there's also the name and the color in the back, as you guys can see. And yeah, there's a little reflection right there, so you can actually use this as a mirror. Hi, beautiful. Just kidding, I'm not that vain. So this retails for $30 and there are 4 different shades. Here is one of them. And let me go ahead and open this for you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. So the shade that I got is Marigold and Rose Petal, and there's also a very nice big mirror on the inside, as you can see. It also comes with the protection sheet. And the next item we have is the Cream Gold Crayon. So here is the color in Rose Gold. Let's see how much product we actually get. Now this retails for $18, and as you can see, this is how much product you get. Goes up and down just like so. Here is how the packaging looks like for the Rose Gold lip topper. So beautiful. These look really, really luxurious. This one is $16, and the high pigment gloss in Rose Gold is $17. So pretty. And let's see how the wand looks. Alright, now I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and do some swatches. So the first swatch we're gonna do is the big kahuna here, which is the 12 pan eyeshadow palette. Remember, you do get 5 shimmer metallics and 7 matte shades. Alright guys, so here are the rough swatches on my arm here of all 12 colors. And let me go and give you guys a little insight of all these colors. So the first color we have is Lace, and it's a warm matte cream. The second we have is Hazelnut, and it's like a warm pale brown color. The third one, which is a metallic shimmer shade, is Champagne, and it's like a cool metallic cream. And going down, here is the color Rosewood, and Rosewood is a warm matte auburn color. The next one is Rose Quartz, which is a cool metallic pink. And then the next color we have is Toffee, which is a matte taupe brown color. Now going down, of course, we have the color Rose Gold, and that is a metallic rose gold. And the next one we have is Champagne Bronze, and that one's a metallic champagne bronze color. Is Molten Gold, and it's so pretty. It's a metallic gold. And the next color we have is Orchard, which is a matte deep magenta. And the next one is Mahogany, which is a matte chocolate brown. And the last color we have is Cedar, which is a matte deep brown. Alright guys, so here is the swatch of the cream eyeshadow crown in Rose Gold. It went on really creamy and really smooth. Oh, those are my rough swatches. I'm really sorry, but as you can see, let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up. There wasn't a lot of fallout at all when I was swatching these eyeshadow palettes. It was very smooth and creamy. So let's go ahead and go on to the next product, which is the blush. So let's go ahead and swatch the blush. Here's the color Marigold, and it's like a warm shimmery gold. And then the next color we have is Petal Rose. Ooh, very light, very pretty. So on the bottom here we have Rose Petal, which is like a cool shimmering light coral color. It has like little gold flakes in both of them, but this one's more pronounced. I'll probably use this one as a blush, and I will be putting these on. But anyways, I want to dip into this eyeshadow palette, see how it works on the eyes. So I'm going to use my Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, which I believe is Lace, and it is. And I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. So as I'm using this on the eye, they're coming on very creamy, very easy to blend so far. Now the next color I'm going to use is Hazelnut. So let me go and dip into here. And then we're just going to put that right underneath our transition shade. And these are going on really pigmented. Can you see? Just going to blend that out some. Now I'm gonna go in with Morphe E17 brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Orchard. Just gonna tap in like so, and I'm just gonna concentrate it more at the very edge and slowly blend it in. Now I'm going to use my MAC M224 brush, and I'm just going to blend and clean everything up a little bit. Everyone has their little own techniques of how they use their eyeshadows and how they use their brushes, so by all means, I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything. I'm just doing it as if how I would usually do makeup. Alright, and going in with one of those shimmer shades, I think I'm gonna go in with the third color right here, which is Champagne. I'm just gonna use my finger and press it on it. Ooh, pretty. Now I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to blend and clean everything up. Alright, now I'm going to go in with, let's see, my Mikasa Beauty brush, and this is the E300. And I'm just going to go in and grab this second color right, which is Hazelnut. And we're just going to do that right underneath the waterline. Now I'm going to grab this Champagne color and also put that underneath the waterline. Alright, now I'm going to use my eyeliner, and this is the Bobbi Brown eyeliner. I'm just going to do my under eye. Alright, now I'm going to go off camera so I can put on my eyeliner on my top, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that I have my eyeliner on, let's go ahead and try on the blush. Now you can either use the blush separately or together, but for me, I think I'm going to go with Marigold right here. And I've already have like foundation and contour on, so hence why you didn't see me do that in the beginning. But I'm going to go in here just like so. And hang on. Ooh. Very, very pretty. Bring some life to my face. And for that, I'm using the Morphe E4 brush. Let me go ahead and try to put this Petal Rose on. Let me see how it looks. Together, it looks really, really, really pretty. I really like it. Maybe I'll use it together. Alright, now I'm going to use my ColourPop Face Setting Spray. Now we're going to go in with the Rose Gold High Pigment Lip Gloss. And I'm going to do a swatch for you right now on my lips. This feels really, really nice, really creamy. Ooh, I love the smell. You can definitely smell the coconut. So this is how the High Pigment Rose Gold Gloss looks like as a swatch. Now let's go in with the Rose Gold Lip Topper. This is how it looks like. Now let's do the lip topper. So for the lip topper, it is available in 9 shades. It is $16. And for the High Pigment Lip Gloss, it is $17. And it is also available in 8 shades. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at OMGIsTiffany24. Also, please don't forget to click on that little notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Bye! I'll see you for the next video.